Welcome to the podcast. My name is Dr. Noor Gajraj. Let's talk about nutrient sensing and longevity. The metabolic switch. What is nutrient sensing? It's the cell's ability to detect and respond to fluctuations in nutrients, such as glucose, amino acids, energy. It has a vital role in maintaining metabolic homeostasis by balancing energy intake with the body's needs. These pathways dictate the cell's mode. High nutrients, plenty, shift to anabolism, growth and proliferation. Low nutrients, scarcity, shift to catabolism, survival, protection and repair. Key pathway 1, mTOR, the growth accelerator. mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin, integrates signals from amino acids, protein availability, glucose, and lipids. It promotes anabolic processes such as cell growth, protein synthesis, and division. Chronic overactivation, common with excessive nutrient intake, drives accelerated aging, excessive cell growth, obesity, and is implicated in cancer development. This constant on signal sacrifices maintenance for growth. Key pathway number 2, AMPK, the energy guardian. AMP, activated protein kinase, senses low cellular energy, detected as a high AMP ATP ratio during fasting or exercise. It promotes catabolic processes, generates ATP, fatty acid oxidation, and initiates cellular recycling, autophagy. Activation is associated with slower aging, improved stress resistance, and better insulin sensitivity. It acts as a protective mechanism against metabolic diseases. Key pathways 3 and 4, IIS and sirtuins. Insulin-like growth factor 1 signaling. Senses glucose and growth factors. It promotes glucose uptake and nutrient storage as glycogen or fat. Aging and disease. Chronic activation leads to insulin resistance, a key feature of metabolic decline and type 2 diabetes. Sirtuins. Sirtuin 1 senses NAD, which can be a low energy state indicator. It regulates DNA repair, metabolic function, and stress resistance. Sirtuin-1 activation is known to mediate the beneficial lifespan extending effects of caloric restriction. The core link to aging, deregulation. As we age, the efficiency of these pathways declines, mimicking a persistent state of chronic overnutrition. Pro-growth pathways, IIS, insulin-like growth factor 1 signaling pathway, and mTOR become less sensitive to regulation, which reduces cellular maintenance and repair mechanisms. Protective pathways, AMPK, and sirtuins become blunted, leading to declined autophagy, resulting in buildup of damaged proteins and organelles, and compromised stress resistance, increasing the vulnerability to cellular damage. Impact on age-related diseases. This chronic imbalance, excessive growth signals, combined with blunted maintenance signals, is a powerful driver of pathology. Metabolic syndromes, foundational cause of type 2 diabetes and obesity due to impaired glucose-lipid homeostasis. Cancer, mTOR hyperactivation promotes uncontrolled cell proliferation. Neurodegeneration, declining sirtuin and AMPK activity links to mitochondrial dysfunction and reduced clearance of toxic aggregates. for example, in Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Therapeutic potential, targeting the clock. Because these pathways are so central, they are promising targets for anti-aging and health span extending interventions. Dietary interventions, caloric restriction, and intermittent fasting. These practices shift the balance towards survival pathways by activating AMPK and sirtuins while inhibiting IIS and mTOR. Pharmacological interventions, compounds like rapamycin, which is an mTOR inhibitor, and metformin, an AMPK activator, are being studied for their potential to chemically mimic the pro-longevity effects of nutrient scarcity. Conclusion: optimizing for longevity. Nutrient sensing is a fundamental for healthy longevity. These pathways regulate the cell's crucial choice between growth and survival. By understanding and supporting their function, we can potentially prevent or delay the onset of age-related metabolic diseases. Take action. Emphasize lifestyle choices, diet, and exercise to promote the optimal functioning of these nutrient sensing systems, enhancing overall health outcomes and extending health span. Thank you for listening. Please consider buying my book, 100 Pathways to Longevity, and subscribing to this channel. Thank you.